Ever wonder why that couple in front of you breezed through embarkation with a tiny carry-on while you're sweating with 3 giant bags? Today, I'm exposing the 15 secret moves experienced cruisers use that first-timers have zero clue about. Let's dive in, starting with number 15. They pack a power strip without surge protection. Rookie mistake, bringing the big surge-protected strip from home. Cruise lines ban anything with surge protection because it can trip the ship's electrical system. Pros bring a simple 3 to 4 outlet cube with USB ports only, no surge label, and suddenly they have power for phone, watch, tablet, and camera without hunting for outlets. 14. They pre-book everything 6 to 12 months out. First-timers wait until they board to book shows, specialty dining, and excursions. Experienced cruisers log in the second their booking window opens and snag 7 p.m. traditional dining, the best cabanas, and sold-out excursions before rookies even finish breakfast on day 1. 13. They bring highlighter pens and washi tape. Sounds ridiculous, right? They highlight the daily planner, the fun times or freestyle daily, the second it's delivered, and tape the best pages to their cabin door so they never miss a thing. Rookies are still trying to screenshot it on a dark pool deck. 12. Their over-the-door shoe organizers are their best friend. Cabins are tiny. Pros hang a clear over-the-door organizer on the bathroom door the minute they walk in. Sunscreen, meds, jewelry, chargers, everything has a pocket. First-timers live out of a suitcase on the floor for 7 days. 11. They tip extra on day 1 and tell the crew. A $20 bill to their cabin steward and another to the maitre d' on embarkation day magically transforms service. Extra ice shows up without asking, tables appear in crowded restaurants, and that fully booked reservation suddenly has space. 10. They bring a pop-up laundry basket. That tiny bathroom trash can fills up in 24 hours. Pros toss in a $6 collapsible mesh hamper, dirty clothes stay contained, the room stays tidy, and they're not kicking socks around the cabin all week. 9. They never use the main pool on sea days. Rookies fight for deck chairs at 7 a.m. Veterans head straight to the adults-only Serenity, the aft pool, or the solarium. Quiet, plenty of chairs, same drink service, 0 kids doing cannonballs. 8. They carry a lanyard with a waterproof phone pouch from minute 1. First-timers dig through bags every time they need their key card or phone. Pros punch a hole in their cruise card, thread it on a lanyard, and keep their phones safe for pool deck selfies and scanning the app without panic. 7. They bring magnetic hooks, strong ones. Cruise cabin walls are metal. Pros slap 40 to 50-pound magnetic hooks everywhere. Wet swimsuits dry overnight, hats and bags stay off the floor, and suddenly a 180-square-foot room feels twice as big. 6. They eat dinner at 8:30 or 9 p.m. on purpose. Early dining is packed with kids, late seating means calmer dining rooms, more relaxed service, and you're not rushing from the 7 p.m. comedy show with indigestion. 5. They pack one nice outfit in their carry-on. If luggage gets delayed, and it happens, rookies miss elegant night in jeans. Pros pack a dress or collared shirt plus slacks in the day bag and still look sharp for photos while their suitcase is MIA. 4. They walk the complete promenade deck loop on every ship day 1. They figure out where the secret hot tubs are, where the joggers go, which side has shade in the afternoon, and the best spot for sail-away drinks. Rookies just follow the crowds to the Lido deck and call it a day. 3. They bring a refillable water bottle or tumbler. Free drinks are everywhere, but walking back to the buffet every 20 minutes is annoying. Pros carry an insulated tumbler, free lemonade, iced tea, and water all day without breaking stride. 2. They get off the ship in every port, even for 30 minutes. First-timers sometimes stay on board because it's quieter. Veterans know the ship is magical when 3,000 people leave. Empty water slides, no lines for the flow rider, and the buffet feels like a private yacht. 1. The number one thing experienced cruisers do that first-timers never guess? They say goodbye to the crew. On the last night or disembarkation morning, they find their favorite bartender, cabin steward, and waiter, shake hands, learn their real name and country, and thank them personally. It's why they're remembered and upgraded next time they sail. There you have it, 15 things seasoned cruisers do that instantly separate the pros from the newbies. Which one surprised you the most? Drop it in the comments and tell me if you're team magnetic hooks or team extra tip on day one. If you're cruising soon, save this video because your future self will thank you when you're sipping a free drink in an empty hot tub while everyone else is fighting for pool chairs. Hit that like button if you learned something, subscribe and ring the bell so you never miss a tip. And I'll see you in the next one. Fair winds and following seas.